Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss if you are new, and if you are a returning little yarn gremlin, welcome back. I'm happy to have you, no matter what. I hope you are doing well today. So I am here with Kobe and Gizmo, and then Sir Patrick is upstairs being the boisterous little feller that he is. So if you hear him, enjoy. He's a hoot. Okay, so it's February. Happy February. Still can't believe it's 2025. So, official release. Don't fast forward, even if you have ordered. I massively changed some things, okay? So, sorry to throw you for a loop again, because I changed some stuff last month too. So, I'm trying to find my footing for how I want to do this year, and I have figured it out. Okay, so I am foregoing the regular full spectrum box. What we are going to do is the Nostalgia collection, which is based off of nostalgic children's books, because literacy is very, very important. Books are being removed from shelves every day, children's books that have very important messages, and so yes, I just want to continue to bring into people's minds how important it is to read to your children, grandchildren, how important it is for them to read themselves. So I keep doing this, and I thought my fingers looked purple. For once, I don't have dye on my fingers. Anyway, okay. I also am doing a Zodiac collection. Now, I did not release the Zodiac for last month. Stay tuned. I will release it. I will make up for editing Thryss here, because words genuinely are really hard, apparently. Yeah, I am starting with Capricorn. Lady, good grief. So I am starting with January's. I'm going to play catch up with Aquarius. Clearly in this video for a while, I'm thinking I'm switching them in my head and speaking backwards. Anyway, just disclaiming, I realize I'm messing up with what I say through part of this video. For that, I have to fit it in. I just don't want to overwhelm myself with too many releases. So that will come, but I'm starting with Capricorn for this month. So it'll be Nostalgia collection and the Zodiac collection. Also, you can order the Birthstone collection from last year. The difference being is you will not be able to order previous months whenever you want to, because I have to try to keep things straight for myself and not overcomplicate it or make too much work where I can start making mistakes. So this month you can order January's, and then of course February's, only because I'm just releasing this in February, so I will make up for that. You can do January and February. I'm going to either insert a photo right here of what they look like, or I'm doing this awkwardly and you're about to see a video clip. I have yet to decide how I'm doing it, so if it's awkward, you're welcome for giving you a comical moment. Okay, so trying to make sure I have everything straight. Okay, so we have the Nostalgia collection, and then we have the Zodiac collection. We also have every month there will be a Zodiac color pack. So the colors that are in the hank will be expanded into a 5 hank pack. I think that is everything. Yes, I think that is everything. Okay, so excuse you, sir, that was quite the big yawn. All right, you can order in fingering weight, DK weight, Aran weight. Fingering weight, 437 yards. DK weight, 231 yards. Aran weight, 187 yards. You can order as many as you would like of any of them that you would like. Just notate it. I will go over the ordering process at the end I am going to show you what I have available. So spoiler alert, and I am going to describe it for my visually impaired folk so that they can participate as well. Okay, so for the nostalgia collection, or the literacy collection, you can call it either one. Here we go. This is Goodnight Moon. Absolutely love that book. I will leave I'll put an inspo photo over my face. But definitely Goodnight Moon vibes. You got yellow for the moon, you got the dark blue, and the medium blue for the sky, and then the book cover is like mostly green, so where they met there's that green, but this is Goodnight Moon. I think it is a beautiful colorway. I really like it. Okay, now for Capricorn, I'm going to put up again inspo photos. I looked all over online what the like color themes are for each zodiac sign, and then just took inspo from that. So this is Capricorn. Okay, it goes from, okay, that light, I don't know if you noticed, let's see, when I brought it up, the light changed. It's kind of like ashing it out a little bit, but you guys know typically my colorways are pretty vibrant and depth of shade is pretty dark. So it goes from navy to kind of like a denim-y sort of blue to silver, and then two different colors of green. So this is Capricorn. Okay, and then I really like the way that turned out. I think it turned out beautifully. And then this is the color pack. Which I think is absolutely beautiful. That navy is really dark, which is awesome. So I think that turned out great. I'm gonna go for darker green on this end green. Didn't come out quite as dark as I had intended it to, but I don't want to delay the video, so I'm just telling you now that it will be darker green like in the hank. And in the color pack you can order fingering, DK, and Aran weight as well. So let me turn this light off. Alright, Aran here gets most snoring. Okay, anyway, give you some ASMR here. So, okay, so how to order. You can use Cashapp, Zelle, or PayPal. And what I need from you is your name and your mailing address. And then I need you to tell me which weights you want of which collections you want. So if you're ordering multiple collections, make for sure you're specifying. So the color pack, just put CP for color pack. For the nostalgic collection, you can just put NS. And then for the I'm sorry guys, I'm having a bad brain day. For the, what are you called? Good Lord. That took a ridiculous amount of time. I had to pause. For the Zodiac collection, ZC. So ZC for Zodiac collection. NC for Nostalgic collection. BS for Birthstone. And then CP for color pack. My goodness gracious. Okay. And so the color pack is $100, plus $7 shipping. Every order is plus $7 shipping, no matter how big your order is. It is just however many hanks you order plus $7. So if you order 2 hanks from Birthstone, 1 hank from Nostalgia, a color pack, like, just calculate all that and then add $7 for shipping. If you want to add more because you know it's going to be more than 7, because they almost all are over 7, that would be very appreciated. You do not have to, but you know, that would be, you could totally do that, but $7 is what it is. And then every hank of all the other collections are just $20 a hank. So $20 a hank, $7 shipping for your whole order, $100 for the color pack, $7 shipping for the whole order. Okay. So the extra that you're getting if you order the Nostalgia collection, so the this guy, or if you order the color pack of the Zodiac collection. I don't know why I'm struggling so hard with Zodiac. This is what you will get. This is Mary Maxim's. It's a little kit to make a crystal angel. Little hangy charm guy that does cool reflection things in the sun. Because words are hard, y'all. So there's that. Cutesy tootsy. Love it so much. So that comes with the color pack, and that comes with the Nostalgia collection. It does not come with the Birthstone, and it does not come with the regular Zodiac collection. Just the color pack and just the Nostalgia, and that is the way that it will always be. So $20 a hank, $100 for the color pack, $7 shipping for every order. Cashapp, Zelle, PayPal. I need your name, address. If you have an apartment number, please put the apartment number, and then put what you are ordering. ZC for Zodiac collection, BS for Birthstone, NC for Nostalgia collection, and CP for color pack. Oh my gosh, I did it. Good job. Okay. Orders are due by the 8th unless we have otherwise spoken. So money orders in by the 8th, and then ship between the 15th and the 20th. And I think that's it, you guys. I really hope I didn't forget anything. I probably did, because I'm me, so who are we kidding? But be looking for so be looking for the Aquarius. So I will get caught up with that. I just wanted to start with what I should have started with, which was Capricorn. And then I will get caught up. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I really think that's it. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm saying a lot, and I think I got everything. Okay. I'm sorry I keep saying I feel like I'm forgetting something. If you have any questions, you can email me. But stay discerning, stay vigilant, but most of all, stay safe, you guys, and I will see you guys later.